Hey guys, I painted and decorated wooden Christmas decor. I got this LED wall hanging from Ross earlier this year. It was on clearance for 49 cents. I painted it brown at first, then changed my mind and made it red and white. I used a Dreamcatcher ring to make a wreath for it. I glued garland to it. Then added a bow. The berries were from an old tree filler. I arranged the pieces and glued them. Then tied it to the sled. The sign was also from Ross and on clearance for 49 cents. I painted it bright red at first, then changed it to a darker red. The nutcrackers were from Target. I used the faux fur part of this old stocking to make the hair and beard. I carefully cut the back part and made sure not to cut the faux fur part. Then painted them. I used Mod Podge to glue the hair and beard. And here's how they turned out.